Tired of seeing everyone else with a link in their TikTok bio and you're stuck without one? Good news, you don't need 1,000 followers anymore to add a website link to your TikTok profile. First, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. Next, tap the Edit Profile button. See, no website link option here if you don't have 1,000 followers. Or do we? Now, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Business Suite. Tap on Get Started, and you'll walk through a series of prompts to create a business account. You can pick the category that's most accurate to what you do. This can always be changed later. Go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile again. Boom, the website option should now appear. Simply tap on it and paste or type in your desired link. And there you have it, a clickable link in your TikTok bio, number 1,000 followers required. Now, go promote your stuff.